Hello and welcome to this lesson titled Introduction to Business and Strategic Risk Management. In today's fast changing world, organizations of all types, whether large corporations or small startups, face a wide range of challenges. Some are predictable, others completely unexpected. This is where risk management becomes crucial. But more specifically, we're talking today about business and strategic risk management. So, what exactly do this term mean? Let's begin with business risk. Business risk refers to the possibility that a company may experience lower than expected profits or even losses due to internal or external factors. These factors include change in market demands, rising costs, competition, regulatory change, or even employee strikes. In short, business risks affect the day-to-day operation and performance of an organization. Now, let's take it a step further into strategic risks. Strategic risk refers to the potential losses that can arise from poor business decision or from the failure to respond effectively to changes in the business environment. These risks are tied directly to the long-term goals and direction of the company. For example, launching a new product in the wrong market, ignoring technological descriptions, or failing to adapt to consumer trends. These are all examples of strategic risks. Now, why is managing this risk important? Because unmanaged risk, whether operational or strategic, can lead to severe consequences, financial losses, loss of reputation, reduced market share, or even total business failure. This brings us to the heart of this lesson: business and strategic risk management. At its core, risk management is a process. It involves several key steps. First one is risk identification, spotting potential threats and vulnerabilities that may affect the business or strategy. 2. Risk assessment, analyzing the likelihood and potential impact of each risk. 3. Risk response or mitigation, deciding how to deal with the risks. Will we avoid it, reduce it, transfer it, or accept it? 4. Monitoring and reviewing, keeping track of identified risks and watching for new ones over time. Let's look at a quick example. Imagine a retail company planning to open store in a new country. The business risks may include supply chain delays, unfamiliar consumer behavior, or exchange rate fluctuation. Meanwhile, the strategic risk could involve misjudging the market's potential or entering too late and losing the first mover advantage. By applying effective risk management, the company can perform market research, create contingency plans, and make better informed strategic decisions, reducing the chance of failure. So, what are some tools used in business and strategic risk management? One is SWOT analysis, identifying strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. And 2. Pestle analysis, examining political, economic, social, technological, environment, and legal factors. 3. Scenario planning, imagining various future scenarios and preparing strategies for each. This tool helps organizations anticipate change and respond with agility and confidence. It's also important to note, risk management is not only the job of senior leadership or risk officer. Everyone in the organization has a role to play because risks can arise at any level from any department. In conclusion, business and strategic risk management is not about avoiding all risks. It's all about understanding them, prioritizing them, and managing them to protect the organization and support long term success. When done right, risk management is not just a safety measure, it becomes a source of competitive advantage. So, thank you for joining today's lesson. In our next session, we'll explore different categories of risk and how business build risk resilient strategies. And see you next time.